Hi everyone, this video is on breast cancer. What is breast cancer? Breast cancer is one of the most common cancers that affects women. It happens when cancerous cells in your breasts multiply and becomes tumor. About 80% of breast cancer cases are invasive, meaning a tumor may spread from your breast to other areas of your body. So what is breast cancer? So breast cancer most commonly it affects the women. So what happens in this condition? जो हमारे breast tissues होते हैं, जो breast में tissues होते हैं, means cells होते हैं, they grow in uncontrollable manner, means they multiply very fast. जिससे क्या होता है कि एक big mass form हो जाता है जिसे हम कहते हैं ट्यूमर. So this is called as the breast cancer, that is the formation of a tumor in the breast. About 80% of breast cancer cases they are very much invasive. So 80% cases of breast cancer में देखा जाता है कि these cancers they are very much invasive, means these cancers they can spread to other body parts. So the breast cancer, that is the breast tumor, it can spread to other body parts as well. It is seen in 80% cases. Breast cancer typically affects women age 50 and older, but it can also affect women who are younger than 50. Men may also develop breast cancer. So most commonly ये 50 years old women में देखा जाता है या फिर उससे ज़्यादा older women में. लेकिन it can also affect the women who are younger than 50. ये breast cancer उनमें भी हो सकता है जो younger women हैं. And men may also develop breast cancer. So breast cancer men's में भी देखा जाता है. Now, common types of breast cancer includes, there are different types of breast cancer. So first breast cancer is the invasive ductal carcinoma. This cancer it starts in your milk ducts and spreads to nearby breast tissue. It is the most common type of breast cancer in the United States. So this cancer it happens in the milk ducts. So milk ducts में जो tissues होते हैं it grows very fast and in uncontrollable manner, जिससे क्या होता है कि एक mass of cell बन जाता है जिसे हम ट्यूमर कहते हैं और उससे breast cancer हो जाता है. उस breast cancer को कहते हैं हम invasive ductal carcinoma, and this cancer it is most common in the United States. So the next type of breast cancer is the lobular breast cancer. This breast cancer starts in the milk producing glands, that is lobules in your breast, and often spreads to nearby breast tissue. It is the second most common breast cancer in the United States. Now the second most common type of breast cancer is the lobular breast cancer. ये जो कैंसर है ये स्टार्ट होता है इन द मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग ग्लैंड्स, दैट इज़ द लोब्यूल्स. सो हमारी ब्रेस्ट में जो मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग ग्लैंड्स होते हैं जिनको हम लोब्यूल्स कहते हैं, वहाँ पे ये कैंसर होता है. मीन्स वहाँ के जो टिश्यूज़ होते हैं, जो ग्लैंड्स में टिश्यूज़ प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दे स्टार्ट टू ग्रो वेरी फास्ट. मीन्स सेल्स बहुत जल्दी ग्रो करते हैं जिससे वहाँ पे एक मास बन जाता है, दैट इज़ द ट्यूमर. So this type of cancer is known as the lobular breast cancer. Now the next type of the breast cancer is the ductal carcinoma in situ. Like invasive ductal carcinoma, this breast cancer starts in your milk ducts. The difference is ductal carcinoma in situ does not spread beyond your milk ducts. Now what is ductal carcinoma in situ? So ductal carcinoma in situ, it is similar to that of the first common type of breast cancer, that is the invasive ductal carcinoma. But there is a difference between these two, that the invasive ductal carcinoma, it is very much invasive. means this type of breast cancer can spread to other parts of the body. But in ductal carcinoma in situ, it is not invasive. This cancer, it starts in your milk ducts. So this cancer, it does not spread beyond your milk ducts. Means this cancer, it stays in the milk ducts. It does not spread to other body parts. That invasive type of breast cancer, it spreads beyond the milk ducts. Now, some symptoms may include, these are some of the symptoms which are seen in the breast cancer. A change in the size, shape or contour of your breast. So, whenever a woman is suffering from breast cancer, the first symptom she noticed is the change in the size, shape and the contour of her breast. मीन्स जो ब्रेस्ट का जो शेप होती है और साइज होती है वो डिफरेंट हो जाती है बिकॉज ब्रेस्ट में एक मास और सेल्स ग्रो हो जाता है, दैट इज द अनकंट्रोलेबल मास ऑफ सेल्स, दैट इज द ट्यूमर, जिससे क्या होता है कि जो ब्रेस्ट की साइज होती है वो बहुत इंक्रीज हो जाती है. अ मास और लंप विच मे फील एज स्मॉल एज अ पी. और अगर हम पेल्पेट करें ब्रेस्ट को इन द वुमेन हु इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, तो पेल्पेशन के दौरान एक मास फील होगा, एक पी लाइक मास फील होगा विच इज अ ट्यूमर इनसाइड द वुमेन ब्रेस्ट. देन देर इज अ चेंज इन द लुक और फील ऑफ योर स्किन ऑन योर ब्रेस्ट और निपल. योर स्किन मे लुक डिम्पल्ड, scaly or inflamed. It may look red, purple or darker than other parts of your breast. So, ब्रेस्ट की स्किन पे मोस्ट कॉमनली इफेक्ट पड़ता है इन द ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. मोस्टली जो स्किन होती है वो पर्पल, रेड और डार्कर कलर की हो जाती है एज कम्पेयर टू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ योर ब्रेस्ट. So now you know what is a breast cancer. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me for more videos.